1962 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door sedan, or two-door post as they're known. 350 small block Chevy underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Headlights, surrounds, grille, bumper, all looking good. Has had a repaint to black. As you can see, that black paint showing the reflection of the ceiling above us. Nice shine to it. Of course, it's black. You may find a little touch-up spot or maybe a little imperfection here or there. But overall, don't get me wrong, this car right here will turn some heads the way it looks, the way it sounds. And check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see them. UniqueClassicCars.com. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front, Uniroyal radials, 5-spoke polished wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. We can see these panels are nice and straight. That black paint laid on there, extremely nice. And you know what happens with those long body panels, if they're not prepped and done right before that black paint goes on, it shows. Not in this one, really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Blue interior, cloth vinyl combination. There's that 4-speed on the floor. We'll get around the driver's side, check that interior out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take this car for a drive. All right. Some things I'm going to put back in the trunk. I'm going to send the California Duster with you. Portable lawn chair. There's a trophy. It's already won. Car cover. Some information on 62 Chevrolets. Nice ringed binder. Some miscellaneous parts. Fabric. Looks like Passion Car Owner's Guides. And then there's some pictures of the car during restoration, before restoration. Miscellaneous parts. It's mostly light surrounds, some minor wiring, that type of thing. And yeah, we'll put that back in the car, send it with. Once again, all those still pictures, you'll be able to see everything in the still pics at UniqueClassicCars.com. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this car in our shop. Did mention the brakes, 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. Radio is in op. Tires are 2016 in the front, 2015 in the rear, and they are in good shape. Take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these Bel Airs, maybe it's Impalas or Biscaynes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at the door panel. Good shape on this one. Highlights that seat and interior very nicely. I love the steering wheel in this 62. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Gauges here, those are working. Tack is also working. Headliner, nice shape. Slip around to the back. Let you hear this one run. Sounding good. Speaking of good, you want to see a good looking engine bay? Wait till you see this. This has got some bright work, some nice polish, nice chrome going underneath there. Let me get the hood open. There, underside of the hood looking good, and here it is. That small block Chev, but look at the bright work. Chrome in the carburetor, alternator, AC compressor, power steering pump, headers, again power steering, power brakes, AC, Optima battery with a disconnect, tubular control arms, aluminum radiator, dual electric fan setup. The beauty, folks. 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door sedan or two-door post. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful black 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air with a blue interior. Various shades of blue going well together with chrome and Icon, the Impala and the Bel Air. Similar in body styles. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. And the AC is blowing cold. Great car to take out on a summer day. Rev it up if you want. Get all the satisfaction from every gear. Nice running car. The tachometer, vintage looking tachometer mounted to the column here, is working as it should. 2,000 RPM at about 50 to 55 miles per hour. Our oil pressure is showing 45 to 50 psi. The temperature approaching 180 Fahrenheit. And the fuel gauge works, showing a little less than half a tank. Those are from Autometer, mounted in the dash right underneath the speedometer. They look like they belong. Very smooth runner on the highway. Feels like the suspension is a bit modernized. It's got a nice ride to it. I suspect it might corner well. I mean, the interior looks refinished. It looks very nice. Bench seat in cloth with vinyl at the top. Brakes feel good. Smooth braking, smooth steering, very easy power steering. And it does corner flatter than normal. Corners nicely. And sounds good. 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air in beautiful condition, ready for the highway. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.